All right, here's a Mercedes convertible to check out. 1974 Mercedes 450 SL model. Now this particular one does come with the hard top. As you can see in the background there, we'll also have the soft top that folds out from underneath the hard boot. Soft top is in nice shape. Goes up and down easily. Everything functions. The top going up and down in that hard boot cover. Now underneath the hood of this 4.5 liter fuel injected overhead cam V8 that is paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC underneath the hood. Now with the 74 model, of course, there's the bumper extensions up here due to U.S. safety guidelines and regulations. And in the sand beige color, you can see up and down the side of this car, not full of dings, nicks, scratches. Pretty clean considering the age of it. Is it perfect? No, but very nice for the price. If you want to get into a classic convertible without breaking the bank, here you go. Now check out the still pictures. You can see the underside, you can see the hard top on it, the soft top up. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Also, down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website where you can view the pictures. And, of course, call us 507-386-1726. Now, as far as interior on this, camel color. If I get up too close, it kind of washes it out a little bit, but more of a camel color than it is cream color, as you can see in the rear. A couple aftermarket speakers, and that matches up with the Pioneer aftermarket stereo that's been put in. AC has blown cool for us. Would I say it freezes you out? No. Lots of times you're driving with the top down. Who needs that anyway, right? Dash cover on there. There is some fine cracks. Let's say 3, 4, 5 of them. That just kind of run from the front of the dash to the back. Not terrible shape. But previous owner wanted to keep everything intact, keep it as nice as they could, so they put on that dash cover. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. As far as getting this car shipped to you, we can help arrange that. And of course, it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Feel free to consult with your sales associate when you call in or email us. Be able to see trunk pictures, underside pics, all on that website also. See, it's riding on the Mercedes chrome wheels. It does have disc brakes at all 4 corners. Power antenna works fine on this one. Again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. And of course, the phone number 507-386-1726. This will come with a clean Minnesota title. And it does have about 127,000 on it. A lot of life left in this one. Let's check out the interior. As you can see, door panels, nice shape. Carpeting. Here's where you can see it kind of washes that interior out a little on this side. A little more of a camel than it is that cream color showing up there. But again, seat not full of rips, tears. Does not show a ton of wear. I did notice a little bit right below kind of where that seam is. Does show some wear there. I think you can see that in the pictures. But again, nothing major for the entry-level car collector wants to get into a Mercedes convertible. Here you go. Let's go ahead and fire this up. It is fuel injected. Engine fires up nicely. There you can see the exact miles also. 127,480. See the power antenna works fine. Here's the gauges work. Pioneer stereo fires up. Text did note there was a small exhaust leak, and I believe it was the, I want to say, passenger side exhaust manifold. FYI, you hear that a little bit. Otherwise, I know there's receipts for exhaust not done too long ago on it. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second and let's pop this hood so we check out the engine bay. Alright, here we go, hood pop, 4.5 liter. Again, fuel injected rotary cam engine. Yeah, you hear just a little bit of that tick out of the passenger side exhaust manifold. It appears, I believe these are the more modern fittings. You can see also, looks like that may have been converted. Smooth running engine. And again, check out all the still pictures. You got the engine bay, the underside of the car. All the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassicars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Phone number 507-386-1726. And again, we can assist with transportation. Need this car shipped to you. Financing is available. May qualify for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And remember, this one does have the hard top too that you can see in the background, as well as a very nice soft top that will fold up. Give us a call.